Merry Christmas, you sexy beasts.
I can't handle you.
I know.
So it's actually 2 days after Christmas.
It is the 27th today.
27th. And so it was a pretty good Christmas. We didn't film a whole lot because we had family over, and I don't know, I don't really like to film family just because, like, I don't know if they really want to be on YouTube.
If we get YouTube famous, we want all the fame to ourselves.
But yeah, like, and I feel like we're not to the point yet to where we should be like, oh, well, do you want to be our YouTube? Are you okay with being filmed? So,
yeah.
I just go ahead and just don't film them for the time being. But if you don't mind, you can be on our channel. And so we didn't film a lot, but my parents got here Sunday night. We didn't really do anything on Sunday.
No.
I think we all pretty much just cooked and like went to bed.
Yeah.
Monday we went.
I worked.
Tyler worked on Monday. Yeah. I just hung out with my parents and made some chicken and sausage gumbo. And then we went to Lafayette, so to North Georgia, to have like a Christmas thing with some friends. And we did that after you got off of work.
Yep, it was a long drive. It was raining and miserable outside.
Yeah, it wasn't the best decision. So we did that, and then...
But we had fun there.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun.
Yes.
And some good food, some good gumbo.
Absolutely.
And then Tuesday was Christmas Eve. I keep forgetting about that. We literally did nothing but stay in our pajamas and play the board game called Catan.
We played some Rummy Cube too.
Oh, and Rummy Cube, yeah. That was a lot of fun. So we basically did that all day.
Let the record reflect that I won 2 out of 2 games of Rummy Cube and 2 out of 5 games of Catan. I know. I'm pretty awesome.
I can't. Honey won 5.
Yeah, according to Honey, she won 16 games that we played when we played 7 total.
Yeah.
Catan and Rummy Cube.
The struggle was real.
So anyway.
Yeah. So that was a lot of fun. And then we got up on Christmas, had a Christmas breakfast, had some
French toast.
It
was bomb.
Some like baked French toast. And then opened up Christmas presents and everything. And then played some more Catan.
A lot of Catan.
Then had...
You won one.
I won one. That was the very last one that we played, though. That was after dinner. Or after lunch.
After lunch.
After a dinner.
We had some seafood gumbo, as is tradition, along with some potato salad.
Yeah.
It was awesome.
Yeah, so, like, with my family, every year, like, for as long as I can remember, we've had fruitcake cookies during the Christmas time. We've had seafood gumbo for lunch on Christmas Day. And we've had chantilly cake for dessert. And so, well, the chantilly cake is kind of a new thing. So, since we weren't able to go there this year, my grandparents wanted to make sure that we still had the Christmas tradition. So they made us seafood gumbo early, and it had crab, oysters, and shrimp in it. And then Dee made some fruitcake cookie batter for me because I can't go without fruitcake cookies. And then we went to the Whole Foods to pick up the chantilly cake. So it made it feel more like Christmas, I would say. It smelled like Christmas, felt like we were at Dee and Papa's, even though we weren't. It was nice. But that was pretty much it. And we opened, did we say that we opened up presents?
You already said that.
Okay. But yeah, and so we'll insert like some of the board game playing and the present opening right now.
It's a little modern art city, kind of in the art district.
Art district.
There's no building codes over here, obviously.
I'll trade a sheep for an oar if anyone wants a sheep for an oar.
Oh, I want a sheep for an oar.
Wood. And Erica gets
What everybody's doing instead of worrying about the game. I got a what? An oar?
Yeah, you got an oar.
Sweet.
See?
You mean a road? You're so dumb. Tyler's in the Mandalorian right now. Bye-bye.
Oh, my foot's cramping.
Oh, Lord. You're a mess.
I'm alive.
Oh, God. Tyler found a new purpose for our...
Captain America.
It's a shield now. Go show Honey. I can't.
Ugh,
You didn't have your shield up. You just died.
I know.
And see where the night
See
takes
where the
us.
night takes us.
Wait.
See
Oh
where
my
the
God.
night takes.
Hold on, turn him around, Daddy.
180 degrees? Or?
Yeah, so I can see the back of the hat.
Oh, I was gonna turn his hat around.
Oh, okay. I didn't know.
Is that what you meant?
No, there we go. So funny. I didn't come up with a creative one for this one.
Let me down.
I think Daddy's has something funny with it too. Oh Lord.
Am I gonna break it?
No. This is your fun gift.
Oh, I get to grow my own avocado
You get to
tree.
grow your own avocado.
That is insane.
Oh, that's awesome.
Tyler's favorite thing is avocados.
I love avocados. I
So
can.
now you get to grow your own. We don't have to buy them anymore.
What?
I don't. It's not gonna work in here very well. I don't think.
You don't think?
but-
Okay,
I'm
go.
gonna see what that came.
Alright.
I forgot it was on. I want to see what that was like.
I think I had to tape it back. So you
I
might
was
need
gonna
a.
say.
Take the stuff.
Yeah. I ain't doing little sections like I did with the other one.
Yes.
Just laughing at you for the other one. I put some paper in there so that way you couldn't rattle it and know what it was. That's from my project.
I was gonna say. I have a Coca-Cola opportunities and threats SWOT analysis.
Yes. Merry Christmas. You're welcome. I knew that's exactly what you wanted for Christmas.
Oh, wait, there's something else in here too. Feels like a shirt.
Maybe.
I believe it's a shirt. Oh, it's shorts.
Shorts.
It's another pair of Under Armour shorts.
Since you like those black ones so
Yeah,
much.
those black ones were really good.
I know.
Awesome.
They wanted to get you a gray one, but they are sold out, so I got you blue.
Oh.
But you can return it and exchange it later.
I like blue.
Okay, perfect.
Blue is awesome.
Okay. Man, these are blocky.
Careful.
Hard to get into these days. Okay. And there's like not even a center thing. There it is. Ooh! It's I love that this is all Harry Potter stuff. It's the unofficial Harry Potter cookbook.
Oh,
wow.
that's so great.
Oh my
It's got
gosh.
butterbeer in there.
Right? It was the New York Times bestseller.
That's great. I never even heard of it.
Oh, delights down the alley, treats from the train. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. Okay, here is the seafood gumbo and the potato salad and our Catan pieces that we're still playing. Oh, yum.
Quality. Freeze.
Here is our chantilly cake. Got it at Whole Foods. Yum. Okay, and then this is what it looks like whenever you cut it.
It looks so good.
So yeah, it was pretty good all in all. I enjoyed it. I had a good, pretty relaxing Christmas.
It was
Normally,
a very relaxing Christmas.
normally Christmas is crazy because we're at my grandparents with like 15,000 other people, and my family is a little crazy at times. It's a lot of us.
Hectic. They get to be a little much with their personalities. Just kidding. I love them.
Yeah, I don't know if anybody else ever looks at their family and thinks like, wow, we should be a reality TV show. But that's how we look at our family. Like, we all say that we're not surprised we're not on a reality TV show yet. We're kind of a mess.
Yep.
But it's a fun mess. It makes it more
is.
entertaining. But yeah, definitely a lot more quieter, less people than what it normally is. But still felt like Christmas, so that was nice.
It did.
I enjoyed it. But yeah, so that was our Christmas. Just a quick little like tidbit of it. And now we're gonna go eat some leftover gumbo. So we'll see you guys later.